Secretary Remulla Boying, maaring managot sa violation of RA 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices for sanctioning an invalid administrative arrest against a former president in contravention of the ruling of the Supreme Court in the 2023 case of Immigration versus Juan Wenle. Maliwanag na napakadaming kondisyon, kwalifikasyon at requirement na isinaad ng ating Korte Suprema doon. Ikalawa, usurpation ng DOJ ng judicial functions. Kahit hindi sila korte, naghahatol sila na halos sila ang naging husgado. Ikatlo, grave misconduct and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of public service. Ikalawa, baka managot din si General Romel Francisco D. Marbil, ang Chief PNP, sa arbitrary detention, Article 124 ng Revised Penal Code. Violation of RA 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices for inducing or persuading General Torre to perform an act in violation of laws, rules, and regulations or an offense in connection with the official duties of the latter. Grave misconduct and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of public service. Andito rin sa mga nakalista at ayon din sa payo ni dating Supreme Court Justice na nagpayo sa atin na malahil si SILG Secretary John Vic Remulla ay maakusahan din ng arbitrary detention katulad nung iba. Violation of 319 for inducing General Torre and Marbil to perform an act in violation of the Constitution and our laws. Ikatlo, grave misconduct and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of public service. Ang ikaapat na maaring patawan din ng kaso ay si General Nicolas Torre III. Maaring managot sa arbitrary detention